Look at this beautiful, beautiful baby Mochi. What's up, beautiful? I call this businessman mode. Are you in businessman mode? Yeah, dude? Well, for those of you who haven't met Mochi, this is Mochi, my beautiful British short hair cat. And for those of you that have, here's another episode of the epic Mochi the Boy show. Yeah, dude. Are you having a beautiful day, brother? So tell me what you got up to in your business meetings today. Anything spectacular? You rubbed on some posts? And yawned? And reached out as well? Brother! That is awesome, dude! Well, like and subscribe for more Mochi.